Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming details: Socks host, port, and whether the server requires a username and password. Once done, install any third-party tool you prefer or open system settings to configure a manual Socks proxy. Make sure to note which apps need routing. You'll need your admin password to apply system-level changes. This first step reduces guesswork later and ensures you can test connectivity immediately. Gather credentials and choose whether to use per app routing or system-wide proxying. Next, open network settings and select your active interface, then advanced and proxies. Enable Socks Proxy, enter host and port, and provide credentials when prompted. If you need per app routing, configure Proxifier rules or create an SSH dynamic tunnel. SSHD 1080 user at remote. Once configured, point a browser or use curl socks 5 hostname localhost 1080 to validate DNS and TCP flow. Make sure to flush caches or restart apps so they pick up the new proxy, because some apps cache network settings. Finish by saving changes and restarting any applications that should use the proxy. Verify the outward IP address to confirm routing. If performance is poor, make sure DNS is resolving through the proxy to avoid leaks, check MTU for fragmentation, and consider switching to a closer Socks server. If something fails, inspect SSH or Proxifier logs and rerun a verbose test. Curl vsocks 5 hostname e localhost 1080 http://ifcon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.